We learn another new topic, statistics, important for grade 11 and also for grade 12. This is part 1. We have 3 videos on statistics. Measures of dispersion. What are they? The range is the simplest measure of a data spread. It's the difference between the largest and the smallest items of the data. So we look for the largest number and the smallest number. Largest minus smallest value gives you range. Interquartile range. Another important value, the interquartile range, we have to calculate the lower quartile and upper quartile, Q1 and Q3. Q3 minus Q1 will give you interquartile range. We'll practice few questions for the following set of data. Find the range. Okay, so the numbers are given. We arrange them in an ascending order. So we get all the numbers in order, and then the smallest number is 17 and the highest number is 29 here. Therefore, the range is 29 minus 17 equal to 12. Number 2, the median. Median is also known as Q2. In this data, we have 2 numbers coming in the middle. That is 22 and 23. So the average of that is the median. 22 plus 23 over 2 gives us 22,5. Then we go for the quartiles, lower quartile. Find out the middle number in the first half, that is Q1, lower quartile. Here it is 19. And the middle number of the second half, or on the right, that is 28, which is our upper quartile. Now, interquartile range is the difference between Q3 and Q1. Q3 minus Q1 will give you interquartile range. 28 minus 19 equal to 9. So hope you are clear about all these important informations. Now we learn about box and whisker diagram. It's a very important topic for grade 11 and also for grade 12. It's a statistical graph representing informations of the important values in a data using box and whisker diagram. You can see the box, and in both sides you can see whiskers, that straight line. So we mark all the important values here. Minimum value, maximum value at the end. Then here the median is 12, lower quartile 4, and the upper quartile is marked 24. So this is how the box and whisker diagram is represented. There will be a number line. You write down the numbers in perfect order. Also, these 5 numbers are called 5 number summary. We write 5 number summary in a bracket. 0, 4, 12, 24, 30. Okay. So that is 5-number summary. That's also asked in the exam. Now, let's go to another question. Draw a box and whisker diagram of the following set of data. We are given few numbers. So we know by now what are the numbers we are looking for. We try to arrange them in ascending order. It was not given in the ascending order, but we have to do that. So we arranged that. Now minimum value is now 503. Q1, the lower quartile, we marked them 507. Median or Q2 is 510. Upper quartile is 515. And the maximum value. So if you are asked to write 5-number summary, you write these numbers in a bracket. Box and whisker diagram. Look at the box and whisker diagram. You may be given a number line in the exam. So use that diagram sheet. Draw a neat box and whisker diagram, marking the median perfectly, the lower quartile, upper quartile, the minimum value and the maximum value. That's box and whisker diagram. Now, there is a indirect question. You are already given 2 box and whisker diagrams for set A and B. The 5 numbers are mentioned there in both. For both box and whisker diagram, the minimum values are 2 and the lower quartiles are 4. 25% of the values in both sets lies between 2 and 4. Okay, so we can get the answer for that. So what is common there? That is the question. Okay, write down what is common. Question B. What is question B? Which data set is symmetrical? Which data set is symmetrical? States the reasons. When we look at the box and whisker diagram, data set A is symmetrical. The median is in the middle of the box and the whiskers are equal in length. Question C. Is the other data set skewed to the left or right? Skewness. It's also another knowledge about the box and whisker diagram. State the reasons. So we are going to answer that. Data set B is skewed to the right. You can concentrate on the box. More stretched out to the right. The data is clustered more closely on the left and more spread out on the right. So look at the median and then from the median, which part is longer until the end of the whisker. So that is how we decide left or right skewness, positive or negative skewness. Okay. The monthly profit in thousands of rands made by a company in a year is given in the table below. We are given the monthly profits in thousands of rands. So 110,000, 112,000 like that. Calculate the mean profit. It's also important for you. Mean, we need it. So we add all the profits. So when you add, you get 2,283,000. And you divide by how many numbers? 12. So divide by 12, you get 190,25. But it is not the answer. 190,25 thousands. Remember that. Question B, median profit. Median. Just 1 mark. Go to the numbers or the data, check whether they are arranged in ascending order. So we find the middle numbers. Here we have 2 numbers in the middle. So 169 plus 171 divided by 2 gives us 170,000 rand. Now we go to another question. Draw a box and whisker diagram to represent the data. Okay, of course we know the minimum value, maximum value, the median, we got 170. Now we also have to calculate the Q1 and Q3. Do it very carefully. The middle, we have 2 numbers in the second half and the first half. So you take the average. So Q1 is 160, Q3 is 210. We draw the box and whisker diagram. Okay, that is the answer. Now, comment on the skewness of skewed to the right or skewed to the right or positively skewed. Okay, and also we have a question for interquartile range, that is Q3 minus Q1. Okay, we get 50,000. Okay, that is the end of this video. This is part 1 of the 3 videos. This is very easy topic. You keep on revising these small topics. Okay, enjoy the videos. Watch all the videos. Thank you.